Sub for sub, how it works and how it affects your channel. The real, true, raw information so that you know what it's all about. Some people might not like it, but it's still the truth. You've probably heard the term sub for sub a lot these days. Basically, what it means is two YouTubers have made an agreement to subscribe to one another. Now, the first thing you should know is this is totally against YouTube's terms of service. Not subscribing to someone, but having an agreement where you subscribe to one another, even though you're not interested or watching that person's content. Why doesn't YouTube like this? Well, because they feel it artificially inflates the number of actual subscribers you have on your channel. You're probably asking yourself, well, you know what, how could YouTube even know that people are doing this, or how could they have a way? Well, to be honest with you, right now I don't think they do. So you probably could get away with it right now, and it's unlikely YouTube would really know. But should you? Well, I would argue that it's just not worth it. And I'm gonna tell you how it hurts your channel. First, when YouTube does figure out how to find this activity through the algorithm, they will ban you immediately, without notice, or any sort of recourse. It seems like a pretty high price to me. Secondly, sub for sub does bring you subscribers, and it sure feels good to grow. But most of those folks will never watch your videos. Have you ever seen those YouTubers with 3,000 or 5,000 subscribers, and they put out a new video and they struggle to get even 100 views? Well, they've probably been sub for subbing. What good is a subscriber that doesn't watch and enjoy your content? If you're monetized, you get paid based on views, not subscriber count. People claim that a lot of subscribers makes it a lot more likely that YouTube will share your content. This is a bunch of crap. YouTube shares your content based on average view duration, click-through rate, and a high percentage of subscribers watching and engaging with your content. It has nothing to do with the number of subscribers you have. In fact, having a bunch of dead subscribers actually hurts this, because it's really difficult to get a high percentage of your subscribers watching if none of them ever watch your content. Imagine having thousands of subscribers and nobody watching your content. It's pretty painful to me. I'd much rather have a small audience of highly dedicated viewers who are really interested in what I have to say. Now that you understand how it hurts your channel, let's talk about how to spot it. Sub for sub happens most often on live streams. And if you find a channel that all their videos are live streams, it's a pretty high percentage chance that they're doing sub for sub. But not always. When you visit these live streams and you say hi, what you're looking for is people who say, hey, how are you? Or get engaged in the conversation. If the first thing or one of the first things you see is somebody saying, I got you, or I support you, that's basically them asking for you to subscribe to them because supposedly they've already subscribed to you. In this particular case, it's probably best just to leave immediately. Now, there is a chance that you're going to find this activity even on legitimate streams. However, mods on these channels that actually care about you and your channel will likely warn these people immediately and ban them if it continues. So who really benefits from the sub for sub game? Think about it. The channel actually running the sub for sub stream is really the only one that benefits from any of this. Hundreds of people will come in order to exchange sub for sub, but the only channel they really watch is the channel running the sub for sub stream. It's just not worth it. Find a quality live stream, make some friends, and grow your channel the right way. Quality content and honest networking, it's hard work, but it's a lot more rewarding in the end. If you're interested in more content that can help you grow your YouTube channel, you can check this playlist out right here. Or if you want to follow along my full-time YouTube journey from the very beginning, you can check this playlist out right here. Subscribe to the channel if that's the sort of content you're looking for, and ring that bell so you know when I have new stuff that comes out. Find your adventure, have a great day, and I will see you soon.